What's up, guys? I just want to show you this new feature. So we're going to go to the New Horizon business page. I'm going to message it !post. Do you want to make a post and send it to Agorapulse? Yes, I do. So I want to show you. Okay, so it's going to ask you three very simple questions. Ask you for the title, for the body, the description, and then an image. So the title, I might put USD JPY shorting opportunity, right? And then it's gonna ask me for my description. So this can be whatever you want it to be. It needs to be around a paragraph or less, 2 paragraphs. I think you get like 800 words. So it'll enter in that, and then it'll ask you if you have an image. Yeah, I do, and this is how I would do mine. So, go to trading. Go to trading view. I'm going to go to UJ. I'm just going to show you guys how I would do this because I have certain things on my computer. Like I have a screenshot software, and so I would if I'm sitting here on TradingView, I would just Control-Shift-V to get my screenshot software, and I can do whatever I want here. Done. Copy that image, and then I'd paste it into the bot just to send a message. That's all it needs. Okay, cool. And then it's going to ask me to confirm the post. I'm going to go ahead and send. This image is not replaced with this image here. I can't get it to do that, so this is always going to be a basic New Horizon image. So then it says we're sending that post out now. So what does that actually mean? Well, let's go over to the New Horizon website, and we can see that this was just posted. UJ shorting opportunity, and let's view it. Let's view it on the screen. Oh, this is the website. So we'll look at this. We have everything already on here. Everything is great. I mean, I'm going to format this a little bit better so that it's just a little bit nicer, but there's your image. I'm going to eventually make this into a modal, so when you click this, it zooms in and stuff, and there's your description. So from here, what happens is, so basically this is a Zapier connection that connects ManyChat to the website, and anytime you use that bot to post stuff, it'll post it to the website. And then it'll also update an RSS feed, which we can use inside of Agorapulse. So you'll see if I go onto Agorapulse, I can go to this button here, bulk publishing, and import from RSS feed. And then you can just import in our RSS feed Zapier link, and it'll pull up all the things that are on that Zapier link. So it's going to be important that whoever's doing this, we might need some way to include a date inside of this title here, because if Josh is in here, doing this, it's going to always import. It's going to always import all the posts on the RSS feed. So if there's 100 posts today, and then tomorrow there's 105, next day it's going to import 105. So it's not going to ever import just the new ones. But obviously you're going to want to hear and select the ones you want to import. In this case, I'll do the latest one. And important is that when it does this, it will not import the full description. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, it will. I changed things around. Yes, it will. This will import this description now because of what I've done, right? By putting this to the website first and then into the RSS feed, it gives it metadata to automatically propagate into. So if I only did this straight to the RSS feed and not to the website first, then it might populate with the image, but it's not going to populate with a link, right? So this is going to actually bring in all the metadata from the website, which I have pushed all this information into the metadata properly so that it'll propagate here. So yeah, so you get your title just like the website. You get your description, which is also on the website. Not this one, because it was actually what you're looking at is this. it does take 15 minutes for posts to actually go into the RSS feed. So obviously this isn't going to be a big deal because Josh is probably only going to check it once a day, and he can go in there and see all the new ones. But yeah, and then once it's here, then Josh can go in here and just edit everything, right? Obviously when we're doing this, let's say we imported this once. This is for the New Horizon Facebook page, right? Then we also are going to need to do it again, because when you import like this, you can't select all the different social media things at once. You can only bulk import into one profile. So you might do it one for the Facebook, and then actually it may not let you do it for anything but anything but Facebook. Let me check. Publish. What's it saying here? Instagram requires an image. So interesting. It won't let you bulk upload into the other social media, but I mean, this will work for Facebook for now. It's easy to go in here and format it, and I will figure out why this won't let me actually update any of the other ones. But let me just see what happens here. If I go here, okay, so here's the most recent one. There's the shorting opportunity. See how it propagated in all that stuff. Don't need to do too much here. I think if you go ahead and queue this. And then of course when you go up here to publishing queued items, I think you might be able to go in here. Let's see. So it doesn't look like I can actually make this go to any other social media here other than Facebook. But by doing it this way, I'll have to look into the other categories, but at least doing it this way, you really can, and I'm gonna go ahead and save changes. Let's see, Tuesday, May 8th. I'm not really, so these are queued, so I could go, I think maybe we have save changes, and then I'm wondering, pause this queued category, Tuesday, May 8th. Let's see, to approve. I'm just looking here for a minute, guys. This is 10 a.m. I don't know exactly how to make all this work, so I'm assuming that I go to send for approval. And then to approve. Oh, will be published Tuesday, March 8th. So it has to do something when you actually import it in. I don't know if I can actually change when I import this. So let's just see. Oh, so I guess you need to go to... Just go to schedule. Okay, so if you do that, it'll actually allow you to, actually go ahead and schedule and publish this now. Let's see, schedule. Cool. So, yeah, so I just published it just because I scheduled it and it went right now. Now it's actually a published post. And if I go to my Facebook page, there's the post, shared by manager. And then, of course, they see this and they click on it. And guess where they go? To our website. So, yeah, this will easily allow us to share stuff on Facebook with the link. Obviously, doing it this way, I might as well just have it automatically post to the page without, having to have Josh interfere. The only reason why we're doing it this way, that we would need someone's interference, which would mean Josh actually going in there and formatting this, is either, if we need descriptions made, or if he wants to go in there and hype things up, which I'm going to do that for now, because that'll give him an ability to go in there and actually hype it up. And I'm also going to figure out if there's any way that I can actually need to go in there and figure out if there's actually any way that I can add in other social media, right? Because if I do it both publishing, it's not allowing me to pick Instagram. It's only allowing me to pick Facebook. So see import content. It's saying just for my thing there. So I wonder if I go to New Horizon and I go to bulk. Yeah, see, it only has my Facebook account there. If I go to import from RSS, yeah, I gotta look at that. But yeah, so that's the flow for now. So you use the bot to upload something. Don't use this for signals, because use this for markups. Use this for content. Like, if this is just a random, hey, I'm not calling a signal on this, but I'm just saying, hey, I just want to post a markup and I want it to have some content. This allows me to really easily send a message to the bot to get it to work, because I can just message the bot. I can enter in my title and my description, and then let's say you're on TradingView, you can literally just come in here and get the image URL. I think I can do it this way. Yeah, so if I do that, it copies it to the clipboard, and then I paste it, and it gives me a screenshot of my image that I can then copy and paste into the bot. Because if you just post just the URL, then it's only going to save it as a URL, I believe, not an actual image. So, and then of course, if I paste the actual URL here, then it may not. Actually, it should work. It should work either way, because it basically just takes this and it converts it back into a URL on the back end. So, yeah, if you just paste the TradingView URL from here, so you can just go to TradingView, do your screenshot, and then copy. You can actually paste just the URL in there as well. So just a few different ways you can do things. Doing it this way, posting through just TradingView does not allow you to share to Facebook, I don't believe. So you'd have to post it on TradingView and then share the link. And of course, this is a post functionality not just for charts, but for other things, right? So if I'm at a football game and I want to post something, I can easily just hop onto the bot. I can do the title, the description, and then just upload a picture of, when it says upload a picture, I can literally just go to my phone, and take the picture. And when I take the picture, it'll upload it just like a normal image and send it out. So let me know what you guys think.